Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Asim Sheikh, student of MBA final semester in Zabastark. Guys, by looking at the screen, you can come to know about the topic. Yes, definitely, your observations are right. Today, the topic of my presentation is Pizza Hut. I am going to tell you about the marketing strategy of a Pizza Hut. It is very interesting topic, very interesting company. You have been ever listening about this company as well. So first of all, dear friends, going with the first slide of the Pizza Hut, which is introduction and history. Pizza Hut is most popular multinational food chain in the world, having more than 11,000 franchises worldwide in around 94 countries. It is also a fully owned subsidiary whose parent firm is Yum Brand Incorporation. Yum Brand Incorporation is the biggest fast food restaurant company in the world. The management of such an immense size is only rendered feasible by effective division of responsibilities, with a proper consideration being provided to all its workers. With their due effort and commitment, Pizza Hut management around the globe has been able to continuously establish new markets in the US, United States, and the abroad to grow more rapidly. The story of Pizza Hut begins in the May 1958 by Dan and Frank Carney, launched in Wichita, Kansas. Dear friends, this restaurant was of 550 square foot pizza restaurant. And first of all, how they initiated this Pizza Hut. Actually, Dan and Frank also they made the pizza themselves, along with the friends Richard Beamer and John Weider. Frank pushed a rolling pin over the pastry, and Richard threw the dough out of the pie jar into the air. Then poured the sauce into the unpacked crust. During the baking process, John turned out the pie from the pot, and then it was really created one dish pizza. And this dish, the citizens were very delighted by this food and seeing them throw the dough over their heads. They really enjoyed it. So the Carney produced an innovative, high quality, interactive, and informal during our experience. So it became a popular restaurant in the neighborhood with the teenage crowd and college crowd. Pizza Hut became a famous location. First of all, Pizza Hut was targeting to the families who enjoyed eating a meal from a night out that they would not have at home. Pizza Hut then turned itself after the families left. It was changed into the college age teens. Pizza Hut became an integral aspect of enjoying a nice time. They thought picked on. In the December 1958, a second Pizza Hut opened in downtown Wichita. 42 Pizza Hut restaurants operated by 1963. At the last, in December 1993, Pakistan's first Pizza Hut restaurant was launched and took the dining scene by the surprise. From that time on, the company has made a major difference to the growth of the society as a whole. It is responsible for creating employment opportunities both directly and indirectly for the country's youth. In addition, during the core of its existence, Pizza Hut has gradually assisted in the development of the various local suppliers also, who have to supply food stuff equivalent in the quality to the international food standards as a requirement. In this regard, by taking it to a stage where they can now look forward to selling their products to other chains as well as to the foreign sector. Our restaurant chain has proved to be a significant contributor to the growth of the Pakistani food industry as a whole. As the first international franchise to reach the Pakistani industry, Pizza Hut has set the highest benchmarks for dining and quickly delivery for oven hot pizzas and has since enjoyed immense brand loyalty from its customers. So, guys, this was the introduction and the history of the Pizza Hut. After that, we are coming towards the vision, mission, and values of the Pizza Hut. First of all, Pizza Hut. Oh, sorry, vision. The vision of the Pizza Hut is that the reach on the top of the peak to provide best service and taste to see the yum on the customer's face. So actually, the Pizza Hut want to see their satisfaction on the customer's face by their best quality, best service, and the taste. Then the mission of the Pizza Hut. We take pride in making a perfect pizza and providing courteous and helpful service on the time, all the time. Every customer says, I will be back. We are the employer of a choice, offering team members opportunities for a growth, advancement, and rewarding careers in a fun, safe working environment. We are accountable for a profitability in everything we do, providing our shareholders with value growth. This is the mission of Pizza Hut. Now, the values of the Pizza Hut. The core values of the Pizza Hut are integrity, excellence, profitability, and the last organizational growth. After that, we are going to the other subtopic, that is the hierarchy of the Pizza Hut. You can see the top management, that is the CEO, and who is the CEO? RT Stars is the CEO of the Pizza Hut company. After that, in the middle management, there is the Chief Financial Officer, Chief Operating Officer, and Chief Information Officer. After that, in the below staff, the in Chief Operating Officer, there came several presidents of several operations of several departments, like the President of Human Resources, President of Operations, President of Supply Chain Management, and President of Marketing. With this all, I can also going to tell you about the Chief Marketing Officer of the Pizza Hut, which is, you can see the picture at the right side. That is the George Felix, is the Chief Marketing Officer. So this was all about the hierarchy, and actually there is the bot to down communication and top to down communication. Now we are going towards the next subtopic, that is the products of Pizza Hut. Guys, my dear friends, you can see there is the variety of products of Pizza Hut. There are many flavors, like there is chicken fajita, cheese lover, chili chicken, barbecue buzz, and after that, product of the there is the outside of the box. There is the pizza also. There are the pastas. There is the bread sticks, and they are also offering the different deals to simply attract the customers according to their quality and the price. Now, going towards the marketing strategy of the Pizza Hut. First of all, segmentation. How Pizza Hut is segmentizing their Pizza Hut management and their products. Actually, they are they have segmented according to the geographic and psychographic. As the Pizza Hut is widely established, their franchises in many other countries like USA, Pakistan, India, Malaysia, and many other countries. Secondly, they are they have segmented it according to the psychographic. Psychographic is actually when they are targeting towards the attitude and activities of the people. You can know come to know about the teenagers and their attitude. They mostly liking the activities and these attitude by eating some especially junk food in the gatherings. So after that, the targeting. They are targeting. They have the undifferentiated targeting strategy. Yes. What is the undifferentiated targeting strategy now? Uh, Dear friends, the undifferentiated targeting strategy is when the company ignores a particular or apparent segmented differences and only make the strategy as a general, simply to attract the more people as possible. And now the positioning. They are using the value based approach for the positioning. The value based approach is that actually they have the best quality, they have the best product test. So they have just created the positioning, they have just created the positioning in the mind of the customers, and they are reliable, they are loyal to the customers, they are loyal to the company because of their high quality and the test. Therefore, they have the approach of the value based approach. Now, the marketing mix. As you know, the marketing mix includes product, price, place, and promotion. So, the product. The product Pizza Hut is well known for its Italian foods, which include pizzas, breads, and other pastas also. But at the same time, as a result of increasing competition from Domino's and McDonald's and KFC, Pizza Hut has also gone local with its pizza, which is a biryani type. The Pizza Hut chain is better known for its excellent pizza range, though Pizza Hut characteristics is that Pizza Hut are of a high quality and are delivered in large portions. Customers therefore enjoy the rich flavor of pizzas and pastas of a Pizza Hut. Another Pizza Hut companion is the distribution of a Pizza Hut. Like Domino's focuses on it delivering the pizzas at a home. Similarly, uh, product Pizza Hut has also the delivery service. Now the price of the Pizza Hut. The Pizza Hut is using the premium pricing strategy. Yes, because Pizza Hut realizes it is a Pakistani's first pizza in trend, and in comparison, Pizza Hut delivers the high quality food relative to its rivals, and at the same time, the Pizza Hut chain's ambience is stronger and warmer than any one of its rivals. Uh, it is actually the uh, Pizza Hut chain's ambience is stronger and warmer. Pizza Hut rivals selling the Italian items as well. So thus, while Pizza Hut is priced premium, people prefer Pizza Hut against the others. Now the place. Place and how Pizza Hut have distributed in A grade towns and B grade towns. Pizza Hut is present around urban areas in most of the A-grade sites. This location allows Pizza Hut to retain its premium role in people's minds, as residents of B-grade city would have traveled to the A-listers neighborhood to realize to really get a Pizza Hut slice. On the other side, owing to the market location, great towns are more likely to get pizza from Pizza Hut than Domino's. Pizza Hut has to be found only in A-grade towns owing to a higher price and a low cost of food. But users in the towns with B grade will most definitely choose the more affordable, that is Domino's. Now, promotion. Pizza Hut is using ATL activities as well also, and Pizza Hut also offers the deals on the different festivals, and they are also offering the discounts there. Similarly, they are also doing the promotion on the BTL, below the line, as they are promoting through the newspaper hoardings and shop directions as well. So, at the same moment, Pizza Hut still makes many business promotions and offers corporate clients promotions. So, this was all about the marketing mix of the Pizza Hut. Now, the competitive and market analysis. The competitive analysis of the Pizza Hut is that with its large number of menu items and their varieties, the stronghold in the Pizza Hut market is helping the company to to competitively ahead of its competitors. Developing markets are the markets that will drive future business growth. And main strength of the Pizza Hut is that it is focusing on the business generation and growth from emerging markets. A strong and stable parent group. The competitors actually, the competitors of the Pizza Hut are the Domino's, Papa John's, Toppers, Greco, and etc. Actually, the Pizza Hut is able to retain its leading role in most of the countries in which it operates with its online discounts offers and as well on-time delivery. Now coming towards the marketing analysis. The market analysis is that the emergence of numerous fast food choices allows it is impossible for the pizza companies to expand their customer base and at the same time growing their market share because of the reasons, factors, and that are the low per capita income, poverty rates, literacy rates, living standard. So these are the factors, and due to that, it is hard for the companies like Pizza Hut to raise the market share in the developing nations. Pizza Hut also stores are geographically placed to serve the demands of wide numbers in surrounding cities in order to maintain the cost of infrastructure low. It is also helps the company to increase the level of customer satisfaction and cost control by offering convenience, promoting online sales, and a channel through offering discounts. Now the BCG matrix. The BCG matrix, you know very well, dear friends, the product of a Pizza Hut in the stars is pan pizza, and the most cow-cash product is the flavors pizza. After that, the question mark, the product there is the exotica garlic bread, which is in the question mark. Still, it is not giving the market share to the profit to the company. Then the product in the dogs is cheesy bites pizza. So this is was the BCG matrix. Now the SWOT analysis of the Pizza Hut. The strengths: high brand image and brand loyalty. Exactly. Pizza Hut have an innovative range of pizzas with the different flavors, and Pizza Hut has excellent home delivery as well, involved in sponsorships of events, sport teams, and movies, etc. And hygiene, food, and quick service. Now the weaknesses. higher overhead costs, definitely, and due to that, there is the high pricing strategy to manage the franchises, to maintain the service quality, and there is also the great weaknesses, that is the high brand switching, limited market share, not good advertising like TV commercials, ads, online ads. They are not at good advertising. Now the opportunities. The opportunities of the Pizza Hut are that the new pizzas and food preparations with the different flavors help to grow up, as well expand more in the homeland, definitely further expand in the new markets as well also. Bilkul. So the threats now. The threats are high competition, which can decline market share, and there is the health conscious people as well also. Uh, they avoid the pizza, like the old age people, and the rising prices of special ingredients like cheese. Definitely, social factors can affect their image as a Western organization. Exactly, Western organization, because many of the people think that this company Pizza Hut is an Italian food chain. So most of the people have a bad perspective about it and they avoid it. So this is also a big threat of the Pizza Hut. So this was all about the marketing strategy. Now we are going to the competitors of the Pizza Hut. Dear friends, you can see on the screen there are the competitors like Domino's Pizza, Papa John's, KFC, and McDonald's. I have drawn this graph by showing the different color arrows. There is the red color arrow as well and white color arrow as well. The red color arrow is showing the direct competition between the companies, and white arrow shows the indirect competition between the companies. You can see that the Pizza Hut and Domino's, as well as the Papa John's, has the direct competition, because Domino's as well as Papa John's has also the same product, that is the pizza. But on the other side, KFC and McDonald's have the different product. They don't have the pizza product. And the pizza to the KFC have the indirect competition. Domino's to the KFC have an indirect. Papa John's to the McDonald's have an indirect competition, as well as with the Pizza Hut. But KFC and McDonald's have the direct competition, because they have the same product, same targeting customers. So, guys, you can see the competition among companies that sell different products but targeting the same customer group and satisfy the same needs. So, this was all about the competitors and the competition between them. Now, going towards the last slides of my presentation, and that is the recommendations and my learnings. The main recommendation for the Pizza Hut are that they should concentrate more on advertisements, as they don't do in the Pakistan, definitely, and they should allow some discount or membership cards. They should also reduce their price as compared to the rivals, or they cannot raise, they cannot reduce the price, so they can maintain their quality and the taste on an upper level, so that no one can beat them. And as well, that with they can set the same price, high price as well with the high quality. And they should also focus on the sponsorships, like in a different sport games or other events like concerts. With that, they should also expand their vision towards the social responsibility. Yes, definitely, the Pizza Hut is not focusing on the CSR activities, which can really affect upon the positioning of the customers, and they will be attracted towards the uh, Pizza Hut and it will gain them great market share. In Pakistan, in order to boost its overall efficiency, they should go for advanced technology intervention as well. Definitely, in Pakistan, they are not using the advanced technology, so they should also focus on this aspect. Now, my learnings. My learnings from this project or presentation is I have understand the business understandings, how to build that, and to build the target customers, and to recognize the mission and how to develop the marketing strategy of the company. With that, I have also learned the implementing different strategies to attract the customers like high quality, offering discounts and deals and delivery services. I have also learned that how to tackle in a competition in a market and to gain the maximum share and the company should follow the current trend with advanced technology. Definitely, as the current situation, the current trend is going with advanced technology on the daily basis. On the daily, in every month, there are going different trends. So a company should a company should go along with the trends to cater to meet the needs of the customers. So, my dear fellows, this was all about my presentation. I hope you all enjoyed my presentation, and my presentation really increased your knowledge about Pizza Hut. So, thank you so much.